What's going on? It's your boy HDK. Looking at the market today, Bitcoin is down. It's not looking good. Still up 1% in the last 7 days. The dominance is decreasing to the low 40s at the moment. And then the global market cap on cryptocurrency has reduced overnight as well, which is a pretty significant decrease. Looking across the market, yeah, it's looking pretty red at the moment. XRP below 80 cents. What has this world come to? We're looking at some pretty big drops across the entire market. What is happening out there? There's a bit of FUD. There's a bit of everything happening at the moment. So let's just keep an eye on it. Let's keep the big picture in mind. Let's jump into it right now. So just seeing some interesting tweets at the moment right now. Bitcoin bull markets tend to end with a bang, not with a whimper. So this is what we're seeing back in 2017. We're seeing these big drops, but we're actually not seeing much of that happening. We're at this very top circle here, and that drop is really nothing that significant anyway. Believe it or not, bull markets are always different in every single scenario, but 50% correction is still a whimper, and overall looking very bullish. Moving forward, we're also seeing that Bitcoin hodlers have been incredibly resilient through this 50% correction, more so than 2013 and 2017. Proof, look at the UTXO value weighted mean average days. It trends downwards in a bull market as newcomers store value in the younger coins, no decrease like the one in 2017. That's the one you're looking at, and we're not decreasing as we have done so in 2017, which means that we're still remaining quite bullish. Looking at the price action at the moment, yes, we did see a video yesterday that had a confirmation around that time there. I did suggest that it'll probably test that region down, that being the new floor to the trend that was broken above. So I am sensing that Harami there is going to then basically stop any price action. So there's a bit of a hesitation there, although we do have to see how the weekend will probably play out. But overall, looking quite bullish as we see some of the tweets that we've just looked at. Further on Bitcoin news, Bitcoin and Dogecoin ATMs are going to hit a Texas grocery giant, HEB. And yeah, look, we're going to see more and more of these things come in as we look at mass adoption as well. CoinCloud has Bitcoin ATMs all over US now. It's now installing the machines, and which allow users to deal in over 30 cryptocurrencies in Texas HEB supermarkets, which I think is fantastic. For those of you who are hodling and have a lot of money locked away into your cryptocurrencies, this is obviously a fantastic solution. Moving forward, we're having another company who's already trading in Canada, mining Bitcoin and Ethereum, coming to the market, and they seem to bring something different to the market. So Canadian crypto miner Hive Blockchain Technology says it has received approval to list shares on NASDAQ. The company went public in 2017. Since then, its shares have been trading on the Canadian exchange TSX.V. As with other crypto-reliant stocks, fluctuation in the price has depended on more or less the Bitcoin's price, now sitting at Canadian $3, around $2.42 USD. All right, and it's one of the just few publicly traded mining companies at the moment, including Riot Blockchain, Marathon Digital Holdings, both of which already trade on NASDAQ. Riot Blockchain, and the CEO of that was recently challenged for the amount of electricity that Bitcoin uses to mine them. And the CEO has actually responded to that question like a champion, which has been great. He answered a very challenging question that says, oh, Bitcoin is taking up too much energy. He says that it doesn't take up as much energy as some of the other industries for how much impact this makes on the world. Made a very good point, and about 40% of the energy that's being used to mine Bitcoin is on renewable energy. What's interesting about Hive Blockchain though is that because of the criticism that Bitcoin receives on using huge amounts of energy and resorting to fossil fuels, Hive claims that it uses 100% green renewable energy via state-of-the-art green energy powered data center facilities in Canada, Sweden, and Iceland, though the company's website is light on details. But that's okay. Looks like they are conscious of these things, and with these new launches, what we are seeing overall is again a mass adoption of Bitcoin, becoming more normal to mine Bitcoin, deal with Bitcoin, buy groceries with your Bitcoin, which is fantastic. Finishing off with a bit of altcoin news, Grayscale looks to add Solana, Polygon, ICP, and 10 more crypto assets. So Grayscale is a leading crypto asset manager, and it's exploring 13 additional investment products announced on Thursday. They include Solana, Polygon, ICP, 1inch, Bancor, CRV, Kava, KNC, LRC, Nia, Ren, UMA, and 0x. So really interesting that they're going to look into these things. We have seen that they have looked into about 23 different potential new assets in February, and they've launched 5 assets in that scenario, which I think have performed quite well. So we're looking at, they have some obviously Bitcoin basic attention token, which is what I'm earning by using this browser Brave, and a lot of people are actually using it, which is great. Chainlink, Decentraland, Ethereum. Interesting to see Ethereum Classic Classic, which has been obviously hard for because of some bugs in there. Filecoin, Horizon, Litecoin, Live Peer, which I haven't heard of. Stellar, Loomis, hell yeah, Zcash doing really well as well. So I think these coins that they've listed definitely is worth a look, especially Solana, Matic, and ICP. ICP has been going down like crazy. 1inch again is another fantastic DeFi coin too. And I think 0x also has some interesting partnerships coming up as well. So what's interesting is that this announcement is coming just days after Morgan Stanley announced that it's set to expand on the Bitcoin fund options it offers. So let's keep an eye on how that will perform. And of course, still very bullish on the future trajectory of Bitcoin. So for those of you who are hodling, make sure you continue to do so. And for those of you who are dollar cost averaging, this could be another great opportunity for another entry point for you, even for Bitcoin just trading within this very, very tight channel that we're seeing at the moment. But yeah, we're looking at probably a double peak bull run this year. And yeah, do not buy into the FUD. Well, actually, you do want to buy into the FUD. You don't want to sell out because of the FUD there. Obviously, not investment advice, only risk money that you can afford to lose. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Make sure you go follow my social channels. Make sure you go like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so that you can stay updated with the latest on cryptocurrency news. Thank you so much. Peace out.